Iawo, Cadochi Kock, ku Deporte.
Jamaicano Usain Bolt, campeão olímpico de 100 e 200 metros, seguro awe na Índia que não te mira nenhum atleta que está capaz para quebrar seu recorde. Tem algum atleta poderia cerca, mas não quebra recorde. Nanta Johan Blake, Justin Gatlin e Tyson Gay. Me está avertindo assim que me nota para ilaga ng ganami. E não sei como mais ajuda a Aruba Volleyball Association que treina de voleibol de exterior. Para dois viagens aqui, Augusto Sabatini, treinador de voleibol de Brasil, está na Aruba para trabalhar com os times de voleibol, mas também está trabalhando com os funcionários de escola.
Now my proposal here is for organize two national teams for next year. You know, the Aruba Volleyball Association have one plan for next year is under 16, under 20. Is I have a good national team. I visit all schools and now is I complete 3 weeks here. Aruba have plenty guys and the girls tall for volleyball, you know. Yes, but you need a little adjust, more support about for being these students coming to the volleyball training practical.
The training with the teams, how this is going to now?
No, now I visit all the clubs. In the first visit I come, I demo, I give the course, technical course for all the fundamentals in volleyball. Now I go to the clubs for check, no, not check, because I know about the coach. The coaches understand volleyball, but I go to look the players for the next year is one next selection. But the coach stay in my line for technical work is very important now.
So you're happy how the coach is training their clubs?
Yes, of course. Have you? Yes. Now is that the coach understand is the necessity more technical, individual technical in the volleyball. You know, I'm happy now.
Trabajando com emocionar na escola sabatina mira com Aruba, tem bom futuro em voleibol.
But you have the big filter in the schools. I know about the tall boys, tall girls. It's about 16, 14 years, about 118, 189 centimeters. It's very tall, you know, for 14, 15 years. This is a project for 3 or 4 years. It's important to start now.
So, but you're happy till now on the second trip on the island, how everything is going with all the clubs you visit?
Yes, of course. I'm happy. All the coaches, all the players again, is one sequence in my together.
And you're happy with the organization also?
Yes, of course.